Hi, this is Learning in my garage. So I'm still working on my practice board. Almost done with it. So today I'm going to be soldering I'm on number 16, which is 74HC164, and that's going to be 12. It's 12 of them, and it goes on U1 through U6, U12 through R18. So let's get started. And I believe it's also an IC chip. That's what it is. So I know the other one that I did was almost the same thing. So this is one of the other ones that I did. This is a 10 pin at the bottom. So it's a 20 pin total with both sides. This was a 7 pin and 7 pin on the other side. And it's also smaller, you can see. So it's a little bit smaller. So it's on U1. Here's U2. Right here is U2. U1 should be, there's U3, so U1 should be at the top. And here it is, U1. So it'll be here, and you could see the dot. You can see this dot here and this dot here. So I guess that's the direction it goes. So I'll put it there. You gotta line it up, straighten it out. Right there's good. Just gotta make it straighter on this side. These are a little too big, so I'll try these. And that's pretty close right there. Just gotta push it over a little more and keep messing it up. Trying to get it pretty straight. Try it again. That's good right there. I'll turn my soldering station on, and I still have it at, I believe it was 222 still. I will let it heat up, and I'm going to put a little flux on it. Uh, 235, sorry, it's at 235. I'm going to put some little bit of flux of solder. It looks pretty dirty. My tip looks pretty dirty, so I don't know if it's going to stick. It's not sticking. I'll clean it a little. I'm just going to tear that piece off and try it again. Still not sticking. So I'm just gonna try to do it like this, just to hold it down. Did do it a little bit. I did get it to solder and hold it. It did stick, so I'll do more. I'll do the one up front. I'll hold it there for a little bit. Give it some heat. Then bring the solder to it. Melt it. Do the next one. Same thing. Heat it up. Bring the solder to it. Do the next one. I really don't want to put too much. I'm trying not to put too much. So I'll do the same to this one. And it is working, so I'll just keep doing that. And it is running a little better. Do the last one. And that's pretty good. So I'll clean the tip, put it in the holder. I'm going to clean the flux. I did forget my safety glasses, so I'll put them on now. Looking for my towel, which is over here. So I'll clean the alcohol from it. Looks pretty good. That looks pretty good, except for this one a little bit. The first one, I can see the flux on it. Need melted it a little more. Which there it is. It melted a little better. So that's pretty good. Trying to adjust the camera, the scope. So that one looks pretty good. I'll do the other side now. Same thing. I'm gonna add some flux to it. And I'll do the same. Same thing I did on this side. Just let it heat up a little bit. Bring the flux to it. You can see when I put the heat, it runs. Trying to get a better position, so I'll try it from this angle. I think it might do better. And it's smoking because it has flux on it. I'll do the next one, same thing. Just gonna work my way down to all of them. Why it gets so dark. Just switch my light, put it on the other side. And two more. Just hold it there for a minute. And the last one. And there it is. So I'll clean the flux on that side. Let's see what it looks like. think it looks pretty good. I did put a little too much here, I think. Too much solder, but these are pretty good. They're not, I didn't overlap the solder on none of them. So it is pretty solid on there. So I think that went pretty good. Getting better. So we'll let you subscribe and like, and we'll see you on our next video. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like.